Behind me is a full Army Tricks Nissan GTR wrapped in rose gold. It is currently 0 degrees and trying to snow. Let's bring some heat. Jack, I'm ready.